I am Mobilant. What an innovative idea from Audi, announced Activesphere electric vehicle. The air system is the main selling point of this electric vehicle, but this electric vehicle is good for electric bikes. Up to 2 bikes can be loaded and used for challenging off-roading. If you travel on a road while navigating snowy or difficult off-road conditions, the ride height is automatically adjusted thanks to Quattro technology. It is a vehicle specifically designed to transport electric mountain bikes. Take a look at this incredible trick system. This trunk system eliminates the need for complex bike carriers to be installed externally. The bike's front wheel can be taken off and placed in the car very easily. By using air glasses, the climate control system in the car can also be changed. You can adjust the climate using a virtual dial. Air goggles can also be used to view routes that can be traveled by vehicle. The inside of the car cannot be seen from the outside through this window. When operating a vehicle, drivers can enjoy a feeling of openness similar to riding a bike. The girl's skirt conceals her from view, although it also has a fully automatic driving system. This electric car, the movable steering wheel enables manual driving as well. There are also options for monitoring tire stress and the road surface. Do I have to run outside in the cold to load the bike after opening the trunk? Obviously not. Automatically, a blocking wall and a glass window that allows visibility rise. When boarding, you no longer need to strain your body to open doors that open to the left and right. It's time for some downhill enjoyment if you have been riding electric mountain bikes. If you become excited while sporting air glasses, through goggles, riders can react in real time to course information. No more stopping along a shady ride and getting into mischief up the mountain. On unknown courses, you can experience a crazy, adrenaline-filled ride more quickly. There are also displays for speed and heart rate. The trunk automatically opens as you descend the mountain after riding. It has a bike carrier mode that can be activated. Even when you're snowboarding or skiing, you can still do it. Skis can be transported safely by using a specialized adapter. This is a true SUV, not a fake SUV masquerading as a family vehicle. It can therefore be referred to as a sport utility vehicle. Activesphere is a true sports utility. The production of actual vehicles used this idea. If we can ever actually get together, enjoy extreme mountain riding and sport driving, it'll be the car of your dreams. On the video bulletin board, you can find more specific details about the car. The creation of videos is greatly aided by subscribe and like button clicks. Thanks for watching.